What is up, guys? Welcome back to Weeds Automotive. Today we're going to be replacing the brake switch, or also known as the brake pedal position switch. I'm going to be replacing it with a Motorcraft part. The part number is SW-5219-1X. This is the switch interrupter. Basically, this deactivates your cruise control when you tap on the brake pedal. It also turns on your brake lights and tells your transmission when to downshift when you are slowing down, such as, controlling your torque converter, basically lock and unlock. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to replace this. The symptoms I'm having is I can push the pedal this much and no brake lights. But if I push it that much, brake lights are on. Another issue I've noticed, if I tap it like that real fast, it'll come on. But if I just ease into the brake, that's no brake lights. If I go right there, until it clicks, then it comes on. The switch is located on top of the pedal, right here. It is held on with that yellow pin up there. So basically what you want to do is you want to get up here and you want to get this yellow pin, lift up on it. This is hard to show, but basically you want to take your thumb or a flathead screwdriver, lift up on it right here until it goes up over this notch or this pin, or cylinder the brake pedal rides on, and you want to push up. Do not lose that pin, you will need it. Then you can wiggle your brake booster arm and all that to move it off. But what you want to do after you take this yellow pin out, pull this cover off, and there's a tab on the other end of this plug on the right side. You want to push that tab in and pull the connector off of the switch, just like that. There it is. Looks totally normal, nothing burnt, nothing hurt on it. Alright, so to get this out is tricky. Now, I've been asked to do more how-to videos, so if the camera angles suck, I'm sorry. I'm just working with what I got here. I do have a friend, but they are not able to help with this. You basically just push against it and wiggle, and your booster arm will come off. So now the switch is off. Your booster arm may or may not come off the pedal. It's no big deal if it does. Basically just know how the rubber bushing right there goes on and how everything goes back together, because if not, you're gonna have a difficult time putting it together. So when you have the switch right here, you want to pull this harness off like that, and here is the old switch. Very old. It's original Ford Motorcraft. I actually thought it was aftermarket. It's not. It's actual Ford Motorcraft, and that's what I have here. So basically, let's see. If there's an easy way to show this, hold on. I'm going to open this bag. And here is the brand new Ford switch. Looks exactly the same, looks identical. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pin right here, this hole in this pin, and I'm going to push this pin back into this hole, and I'm actually going to plug it in. You should probably plug it in first before you put the pin in the hole. Push it tightly, and then you're going to want to get back up in here. Now, like I said, your booster may come apart like this. Your booster arm may come off your pedal. That's normal. Basically what you want to do is get it kind of like this. It's hard to do this. I'm not particularly a small guy, and I cannot fit in here, so I do apologize. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Do you have the light up there? Let me see if I can get a light. Hold on. Okay, the bushing came out. Came off the pedal assembly. I'm just gonna do this. Hopefully you can see it. If not, I'm sorry. It's hot. I'm losing patience. This rib side goes against the pedal. Like that. What I'm gonna do is, because I know it's a pain in the butt to do, it's miserable out here trying to do this. Man, this thing is not easy. Alright. Okay, it's not gonna wanna cooperate. Great. I've done many of these on the Ranger, Explorer, even the Expedition, and things never go as planned, so I'm gonna do this. Let's see if I can see it. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to put this brake pedal together. Crap. Get that out of my way. Let me get this brake pedal somewhat normal. Then let me find the switch I just shoved in the hole like an idiot. I'm going to slide it on. I can hear the brake lights clicking on and off as I'm doing this. I hear the relays, I mean. Wow. You're gonna be a bear to get on, aren't you? Yeah, why wouldn't you? You're a Ford. No offense, Ford guys. I just don't particularly like the way this thing is. Alright, I am gonna... Let's see. I lost light. That's nice. I don't know why my camera decided that. There we go. Huh. That's a new Android thing. I must be doing something wrong. And I mean really wrong, because this is not how it goes. There we go. I didn't push it on far enough. Ow, crap. That hurt. Yeah, it's not usually this much of a struggle, by the way. This thing wants to torture me. It's been torturing me for years. This whole car has. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, to be honest. Actually, yes, I do. I know exactly what I'm doing wrong. This bushing, this dang light turns off again. This bushing needs to be... Crap! Phone's possessed. I can't even... Oh, nice. It says the phone's too hot to use flash. Well, I'm sorry. The bushing needs to go in the hole of this. Then you need to take the switch and you need to move this. Dang it. I've never had one fight me like this, to be honest. Then again, okay, I hear the 3S clicking, so that's good. At least it works. Let me figure this out, guys, and I'll come back. Okay, it's on. So here's what you have to do. There's that plastic bushing. You want to take the end with the lip on it that has the end hanging off, push it through the hole. I know it's gonna keep running off. Push it through the hole of the brake booster arm. Then you push that onto the brake pedal arm, and then you put the sensor in between, and you basically push up. And when you push up, you line up the holes and push the sensor forward, and it'll all line up. Do not forget your safety pin. I'm gonna put this in, and I'll come right back. Your safety pin goes in one way. The long straight piece of the pin goes in the hole, and this piece right here is what locks it in and holds it steady. Okay, let's do this quick. Safety pin's in. Don't forget your cover that goes on your wiring harness. I might have broke that one, honestly, but it's on. And that's how you replace your brake pedal position switch on your 99 Ford Explorer. This also works through 96 through 01, maybe even 95 through 01 Explorers if they have the same switch. So yeah, thank you for watching Lee's Automotive. I hope you found this educational and helpful. I'm trying to make my content more detailed and easier to follow, and also show all the steps instead of having to pause. But like I said, sorry if I can't do it every single time. Most of this content is hard to record as it is. It's a one-man show here. I don't have anybody really to help me with the camera. So this is how it goes. So anyway, thank you for watching Lee's Automotive. Have a blessed, safe day. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked it, and disliked it if you disliked it. Thanks, and God bless. Okay, if you stuck around to the end of the video, you'll see the teardown of the old switch. Basically what I found is, you can see these terminals have color to them. They are a bit burnt. Let me try to pull these out so you can get a closer look. You can see the hot spots in the two ends that control your brake lights. So that's why I wasn't getting good contact. So this part is junk. That's why I put the new switch on. Brake lights work perfectly now. So that's it.